Okay, let's be honest. Straight hair will always be classic. Curly hair is gorgeous. But 2025, it belongs to wavy hair. Everywhere I scroll, TikTok, Instagram, even Pinterest, it's just waves, waves, and more waves. From Zendaya's soft Hollywood waves on the red carpet to Hailey Bieber's clean girl bends to K-pop idols rocking that playful wavy vibe, it's clear wavy hair isn't just a hairstyle, it's the aesthetic of the year. Segment 1, why wavy hair is trending. So why is everyone obsessed with waves right now? 3 main reasons. Low effort, high reward. Waves look effortless but instantly chic. It's giving, I woke up like this, but polished. Social media impact. Heatless curl hacks, sock curls, robe curls. These are going viral daily on TikTok. The hashtag wavy hair has over 3 billion views already. And pop culture influence. From K-dramas to Coachella lineups, the wavy look matches the 2025 vibe. Natural, soft, and versatile. Segment 2, styling hacks you need. All right, let's talk how to get the look. Here are my top 4 hacks from zero heat to full glam. Hack 1, heatless overnight waves. This is beginner friendly. Start with damp hair, braid into 2 or 4 sections. Sleep, wake up, shake it out. Finish with mousse or texturizing spray. Hack 2, the flat iron twist. This is a quick fix. Clamp a section with your flat iron, twist, pull down slowly. Instant S-wave effect. Demo shot, 10-minute routine before going out. Hack 3, the curling wand lazy wrap. Instead of tight curls, wrap loosely and leave the ends out. This gives modern, undone waves. Side by side, tight curls versus undone waves. Hack 4, extensions equal instant waves. Don't want to wait? Clip in or tape in wavy extensions. Perfect for photo shoots, weddings, or festival weekends. Transformation from before flat hair to after adding wavy clip-ins. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you team soft natural waves or team Hollywood glam waves? Drop it in the comments and I'll share my fave quick hack depending on your answer. Also, if you try any of the hacks I mentioned, tag me on Instagram or TikTok at @thangandhair. I love seeing your transformations. All right, guys, that's it for today's wavy hair deep dive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I've got more 2025 hairstyle trends coming your way. Until next time, stay wavy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.